In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in Webex. To get started, open the Webex app on your device and make sure you're on the main screen. Once the app is open, look toward the area where your profile picture or profile icon appears. This is where you'll access your personal settings and availability options. Go ahead and click on the profile icon to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, and the one we need here is your status. Click on Status to continue. At this point, you'll be able to set the message that other people will see when they check your availability. You can either type your own status if you want something specific, or choose one of the available options from the list if one of those already matches what you need. If you're setting an out-of-office message, it's a good idea to keep it short and clear so your coworkers know you're unavailable. After you've chosen or entered your status, the next step is to define how long that status should stay active. This part is important because it tells Webex when to automatically clear or update your status. You can select a duration from the list if one of the preset options works for your schedule, or you can choose a custom option if you need more control over the exact timing. Take a moment to make sure both your status message and the duration are correct. A clear message and the right time setting can help avoid confusion and let others know when to expect you back. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. Your out-of-office status will now be updated in Webex. And that's it. You've successfully set your out-of-office status in Webex.